Hey YouTube, welcome again to my channel. It's your favorite mommy vlogger, diaryofanabujamom. So if you're new to my channel, I'm a dish kind mommy vlogger based here in Abuja. I'm a mom of two. I'm a mom of Dinah and Ife. And don't forget to subscribe if you're already feeling me. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share on your Insta story. Just take a screenshot and post on your Insta story and tag me and tell people, go check out diaryofanabujamom, and people will actually do, and they'll subscribe and they'll show me love. Okay, so today's video is kind of a fun, you know, lose body, lose guard, lose everything kind of video, and it's just my favorite YouTubers 2019 2020. I did a video about my favorite YouTubers and social media people last year, and I really loved the everything. Like, people really watched it, and I just loved everything. So I was like, let me do an updated ones, because every day we find new people that we love. You know how you found me, that's how I found them too. And I'm going to also be sharing. It's not going to be hiding secrets. I'm going to share, tell people, you saw that what I enjoy, let them enjoy with you. I don't know if I saw, and I talk a bit loud, but I'm going to try and be slow. But even though it's going to make me look like a love or like a slow boy, I don't want to be a slow pump, but let's do this. So one of my favorite YouTubers of 2020/19 is Adaeze's Face. Guys, like, I'm loving her content, I'm loving her vibes, I'm loving her kids. Like, if you know me, I like kids that are really like dish. And Adaeze's Space Kids gives me that, you know. And I love the content that she creates, the mommy content, you learn a lot of things from her, and I just love her. I love her vibes, I love her spirit, I love her, you know. So the next person is Nello Keke. I think I've talked about her before, but guys, I'm loving Nello Keke's content. Like, this year she's really showing us things. She's really giving me mind, she's giving me morale. Like, hey, like, she posted a video of how she had her baby. What does that? Only Nello Keke. Like, she's giving me serious mind, like, in case so I now want to born, I will not do my own video. You get I like people that actually give me mind, that go out of their way, that do things that break barriers, like do things that are not normal. It's not very normal in Nigeria, like, for Nigerians to post that kind of thing. And I like how she's very unapologetic about things. She just does it. If you like, go and die. If you like, go and hug Transformer. She doesn't care. I love it. But you know the funny thing, she doesn't look like way. She looks very cool, calm. If you see me, you think I'm the one that will have that kind of mind, though. All these people that will be giving us mind. Okay. Go and follow her. Okay, I'm going to be leaving their links in the description box so that you guys can follow all these people I'm going to be calling. Another person that is giving me like this kind movie dramatic content that is just scattering my dada, guys. Drum roll, please. Guys, Vivian Okezie. Hey, if you don't follow Vivian Okezie, you're silly. Like, she's so good with her editing, and that's what really draws me close to her, because I'm like, how did she? How? Vivian, see, if you're watching this video, you really need to go and you start doing videos showing us how you do things, because we need to learn. It's not easy. And most of I like to watch how my own, like, if you tell me, okay, do this thing, sometimes the way you're doing showing, it will be sounding showing in my ear. But when a Nigerian person does, I understand what they are saying. So please, Vivian, when you learn, come and teach us. We need to learn. We need to be like you, okay? Another person, like the number 4 person that I'm loving, I really love, Dinah. I don't really agree with most of her content, but I think that's what draws me to her, because, you know, as much as I don't agree, I still feel like she doesn't send. Like, if you like, agree, or if you like, not agree. And that's the basis of my life, guys. Really, I'm very sendless, even though I send, but I don't still send. I don't know if you understand. Like, I know I am aware that people are doing things, but it's not something that will now make me, you know, now say, oh, because people, before I used to be like, I didn't used to send, though. Then suddenly people were not complaining, Yaka, you don't send, you know, they used to call me sendless Deca, you know. I used to be sendless. Suddenly I started sending. People now started showing me Pepe. Now I know send again. Not that I don't care about people, but if I do what I love and you come and start telling me and you're doing rubbish, now you get your mouth. I know send you. Simple. So that's what Dinah does for me. I just love how real she is. I love how open she is. I love how unapologetic she is too. So That's it. So another person I'm loving again is Cliche Femina. I don't know if a lot of people know her, but I know a lot of people know her. Like, because I was sleeping on the air, I be in the sky. How can I not know who Cliche Femina is? I heard somebody talking now. I think it was Ama Ungu and her husband, her hubby, Justin got photography on Instagram. They were talking about her and they were like talking about her content. And I was like, let me go and check this girl out, because I think I've seen her before but never really paid attention. And when I did, I went to her YouTube page, like, and now she's giving me content that I really need, like teaching me how to do things, how to set up, how to make my back blur, how to do this, how to do that. And I'm loving that, you know, because everybody that will give you that kind of. Some people used to hide that, especially Nigerians, we used to hide our things. When we learn, we don't want to teach. But she's making me know that you can still teach. And like I told somebody, see, no matter, even if you come on TV and be telling me, okay, let me just give you an answer. I watched Daifa's makeup tutorials, and I love the way she does her eyebrow. Now, I can't do it like her, no matter how I try. So nobody can be like you, okay? I can do it in my own style and it's still fine. But you know, some people will not be like, eh, if I teach her, she's not going to better, she'll do her own style. And if her style is okay, it's okay. See, let's cool down. See, cool, brother. So another person I'm loving right now is Ama Ungu. Ama is an Abuja mommy vlogger like myself, and I love her content. I love her family. You know, we've done collaborations together, so you guys already know her, you know. But I love how fashionable she is. She's very, very fashionable, and she makes me know that, oh boy, when I reach 30, I'm going to still be hot like her. Like, she's teaching me how to be hot, you know. So I love her content. I love her baby so much. Her baby is so cute, and everything she's just doing is just really, you know, making me happy. I love to watch her videos. I love everything about her. I can't even say how I will continue saying I love, but I actually do love her. And go follow her page, go follow everybody that I've just mentioned. Okay. Then the last but not the least is Cliche Femina. I know, like, I've been following her for a while, but since I've not done a video telling you guys about her, she's somebody that I love. I love how she brings humor into makeup, you know. Even though some of the things she does is very, like, how will I say it, she makes me want to like Yoruba, like Yoruba things. She adds Yoruba-ness in her video because she speaks her language and all that. But she's one of the people that makes me like enjoy Yoruba, because she should be saying, you should not be doing that her dance, something that she used to do, she should not be doing like this. Actually, I actually enjoy watching her. And you guys, go follow all these people I just mentioned. If you're a YouTuber and you will love me to check out your channel, let me know in the description box. I'm going to check out your channel. And those people are going to say, when you check it out, you will not subscribe. When I go to your channel, just the way you come to my channel and you love me and you subscribe, that's how I do. I don't just subscribe to anybody and everybody. I subscribe to somebody that if I go to your page, I'll go through your videos, and if I feel your vibe, I must. There's nothing in this world, not even internet that'll make me not subscribe. So let me know, put your link in the comment section, and I'm going to go check it out, check out your video, and, you know, show you love, and, you know, show you kindness, and, you know, show you sweetness. I love you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, don't forget to click on the bell button, don't forget to share on your Insta story and everywhere, Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, everything. Just share. I love you guys so much for watching. Until my next video, salute.